Welcome to J. Davis House Condos located at 1 Belsize Drive. This boutique building is located in the southeast quadrant of the Yonge and Eglinton intersection and is a 650-meter walk to Eglinton subway station or a 300-meter walk to Davisville subway station. There are 9 floors and approximately 200 units, which range in size from about 300 square feet to over 2,000 square feet. This Mattamy Homes building was registered in April 2020, and for those renting out units, rent control does not apply. Amenities here include a 24/7 concierge, gym, party room, billiards room, an outdoor terrace with barbecues for use, a pet wash, and visitor parking. Maintenance fees don't include any utilities, so they are covered separately by residents. This is a pet-friendly building allowing for 2 pets per suite as long as only one of them is a dog, and the maximum weight is 60 pounds. Most units have balconies, and views in all directions are mostly unobstructed, with the best views facing east over the residential neighborhood. If this is a building that you're interested in learning more about, or you'd like to take a look at some units, please reach out. I'd be happy to hear from you.